How to create Snowflake 120 days account, student account. Okay, so this is the link. Okay, see, I will type it here. Just how to create Snowflake so student account, so 120 days. So this is the link. Okay, so after these signup.snowflake.com slash then question mark then use trial equal to student. This link going to create a Snowflake trial account with 120 days. So everyone create this account. Okay. So give time and I'm giving a variant. So work my personal mail and I'm giving. Okay, why are you sign up? Okay, I'm choosing a training or certification for my job. Click on continue. Company name will be job title, data engineer. So edition, AWS services and Asia Pacific Singapore. Check. So select the SQL. Then click on continue. Click on submit. So now check mail ID. So go to here, click to activate. Okay. So username I'm giving today date April 4th 2026. Okay. Password it should be like 14 characters. Okay. Again get start. So this is the Snowflake account with 120 days. Here you can see. Okay. If on this contact me, you can see go with these rates. So same as still everything you going to have. Okay. Everything you going to have it. Okay. Check. But still you can see here credits. Okay. 400 credits. Okay. Trial ends in 190 days. Okay. So this is like Snowflake. Okay. 120 days trial account. Okay. This thing how to create. You can check it. Just state and start using creating warehouse database schema and data loading.